you're also going to disconnect the power supply. You're also going to disconnect the power supply going from the dishwasher to the outlet. If it's behind your dishwasher or if it's under here, sometimes they route it through the same hole where the water comes through at and mount it to the same outlet underneath the sink. Or sometimes it's an actual direct connection, from the supply line coming from the fuse box, hot wire, ground, neutral, tied into it. So you have to remove each wire, obviously shut the power off first, remove each wire, and then put, wire nuts on it. Also on the top portion right here, so right here underneath the counter and right here, there were two sections or two spots where they had these screws on top of the dishwasher screwed in right here to hold it in place, so it wouldn't obviously slide out or whatever for whatever reason. So you take those two screws out, you got one on each side, disconnect the power. So just essentially pull a plug out and then take off the water line that's going to be connected right there. Go back with the 3/8 of an inch cap, standard 3/8 of an inch cap, and then use a rubber boot right here for the drain line for the dishwasher going into the side of the garbage disposal. Standard, get them from a home improvement store, just goes at the bottom of a leg of a chair. It's 7/8 of an inch right here. So, and just slide it over that and tighten it up and you should be good to go. And just essentially slide out the dishwasher and go from there. So now I'm gonna bust up the rest of this towel and remove the thin set as well and prep this floor for the floor that we plan on putting down.